Hello and welcome to my studio. Thank you so much for stopping by. I'm in my studio right now and I'm unboxing an order that I placed with HSN for one of Anna Griffin's collections. And I thought I would stop and start this video so I can share it with you. The name of this collection is the Anna Griffin Summer House Cardstock and Embellishment Collection, and this collection is currently selling for $63 on the HSN website. Now this is a nautical and coastal themed kit or collection, and I'm looking forward to using this kit for some of my vacation photos. This kit includes, you can see that, 32 sheets of 12 by 12 double-sided cardstock. You get 4 each of 8 designs, 16 die-cut borders, 12 inches by 1 inch, and there are 2 designs and you get 8 of each. There are 90 flat embellishments. You get 3 each of 30 designs, and that would be these. And then there are 60 foil embellishments. You get 3 each of 20 designs with that pack right there. And then there are 20 title or sentiments, and you get, let's see, 2 each of 10 designs. So you get quite a bit in this kit for the price. And like I said, I'm looking forward to using this kit very soon. So we'll get to do some page kits together and scrapbook pages, and I hope you come back and visit me for that. Okay, let's start with the paper. And the first cardstock paper is a periwinkle blue pattern with shells, and it's a white background, but it's not a bright white. It's a more of a muted white background. And on the back, it's a ombre kind of chambray blue. I would say it's supposed to represent the sky. It's very pretty. The next design is a royal blue damask, and it's a blue and white. And on the back there is the royal blue and white weave design. The third cardstock pattern is a white small flower on a blue background. This is very pretty. I think I have some of these flowers in my yard, actually, in my little garden. And on the back, we have the weave design in tan and white, and it's very pretty. This makes me think of rattan furniture and baskets. Very, very coastal, very pretty. The next design is a nautical design. We have foil anchors and a white rope design. And on the back, this is a chambray blue, and it looks like a tweed, but I think it's meant to be a linen look. It's very, very pretty. Next, we have it's a dark blue and white design. And on the back it is dark blue with a fleur-de-lis design or pattern. It's very pretty. Then we have the same design but in tan and maybe ivory. Yes, tan and ivory. And on the back we have the fleur-de-lis design in tan and ivory. Very pretty. Next we have, oh, this is so pretty. These look like flowers that I see around the lakes here in Florida. Little tiny white flowers on a tan and beige background that is striped. It's very, very pretty. I like that one. And on the back it is a linen look or tweed look in tan and ivory. Okay, the last paper is a blue background with it's made to look like there's a texture, but there is not. And it looks like hydrangeas in 2 tones of purple. It's very pretty. On the back we have a chambray light purple with this linear design. Okay, those are all very pretty. I think that they will make exceptionally nice pages, and I'm happy that I was able to get those. Now, the next thing we have here are the borders. We have 2 designs, and we have, I believe there are 8. Yes, you get 8 of each design. And the first design is a chambray blue background with a white design. And the second border is a dark blue with a foil trim design. Very pretty. Next we have the flat embellishments. Sorry for the noise. And I'll try to go through these quickly because there are a lot of them in this kit. And let's start out. We have a shell, a bigger shell of that one. We have white flowers. Here, let me bring these up and show them to you. These are conch shells, and we have 2 different sizes. There we go. And then we have these little delicate white flowers, like the ones that were on the paper pattern. We have 3 crabs. So cute. We have a starfish, another shell, a ship or boat, more conch shells. We have mussel shells. We have a lot of those on the beaches here. And here's another type of a conch shell. Hydrangeas, shell, another shell. We have this type of shell, and then this type. And more shells. Oh, and we have these anchors. How nice. Those will go nicely with the paper that's nautical themed. Let me show you one. And then there are the other two. Then we have a lot of flowers. Here's a two-tone purple hydrangea that matches back to the paper with the blue background. Smaller of those. White hydrangeas in two sizes. And a lot of duplicates of those. And then we have a sailboat. It's very pretty. And then we have a double sailboat. And more flowers that are duplicates. So that is a very nice arrangement of different flat embellishments for this collection. And I did order another embellishment kit that is shells and sea life. I don't have it yet, but when I get it, I will be happy to share that with you, okay? But I'm very happy about this collection so far. Next, we will do the foil embellishments. And these are flat too, and this stack as well as these are, they are stickers. Okay. And we start out with hydrangeas. Ooh, there we go. And furniture, we have a wicker love seat. And more hydrangeas. More hydrangeas. A shell. And let's see, we have another shell. It's very pretty. We have a compass. A different style of shell. So pretty. We have this style of flourish. This style of flourish. There we go. We have, excuse me, starfish, and there's a lot of detail in this starfish. It's so pretty. Seaweed. And we have a flower bunch. More flourishes and flowers. We also have a ship. And two more flourishes. And these are the right side to the ones I showed you earlier. Very, very pretty. Very nice. All of the embellishments are high quality. These stickers are great. And this kit is a really good price, I have to say, for what you get. And now we have the sentiments. And they're on the kit, the collection. It says these are titles, but I think we can use them on cards or scrapbooks. It depends on what it says. Okay, starting with cherished moments. That would be great on a scrapbook or a card. Warmest wishes. Thinking of you. Sending you sunshine. I like that. Oh, birthday wishes for my dear friend. Celebrate. That can be used on a scrapbook page or a card. Our story, nice title for a scrapbook. And my sincere thanks. Okay. So it looks like we have gone through the entire collection, and like I said before, I feel like that you're getting a really good deal on this collection to be able to receive all of these beautiful products. I hope I get everything in there. And I want to thank you so much for stopping by my studio and visiting with me today. And if you have not already, could you please subscribe and like my video if you liked it. I'm trying to build my channel. I'm new, and with subscribers and likes, the YouTube will push my videos out to new viewers. So I thank you so much for staying with me to the end and spending time with me. And until next time, have a wonderful, wonderful day. Enjoy your family and enjoy your day, and God bless you.